Welcome to Lesson 9 of Chording Level 2. This is Unit 7 of pianovideolessons.com. You can get all of these sheets and printables at the website if you just click the info card here in the corner. So, today's lesson is Auld Lang Syne using every kind of chord that we've learned so far in this unit. Major chords, minor chords, 7 chords, minor 7 chords, and major 7 chords. So the first time we played through this piece, we played it in a super basic way using only just 3 different chords. I think we used F, C, and G. And just a basic set of 3 triads. Now, today we're going to play it in the key of F, and we're going to play it using so many types of chords. But first, let's write out the F major scale. I'm going to write it in the treble clef here, and if we look at our circle of fifths, we see it's 1 flat. That means it's here, which is in the flat side of the circle, and it's got 1 flat. So we're going to have F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. And you could play that on the piano, F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. And so everywhere that you play a B, it'll be a B flat. So let's go ahead and just try this in the key of F on the piano, starting with C. F, A, G, F, G, A, F, F, A, C, D, D, C, A, F, G, F, G, A, F, D, D, C, F, D, C, A, F, G, F, G, D, C, A, C, D, D, C, A, F, G, F, G, A, G, F, D, D, C, F. So this particular piece, Auld Lang Syne, you can compare it back. Last time we played it in the key of G. And I wanted to just point out to you that you can play a song in any key. Whatever key it's written in is the key we play it in. We can also transpose to different keys to make it easier to sing if it's too high or too low for a vocalist, or if we want to match with a different instrumentalist that plays more easily in a different key. Because we're piano players, we can play in any key. So I thought it was a really nice idea to transpose this piece into the key of F, so we could learn it in another key. Now, so many types of chords. I'm not even sure if I can fit them all on here, but let's see what we can do. Let's write them out. Starting with the F chord. This is just plain old F major. I'm going to write it here, F, A, C. That's your F chord. Now we have D minor 7. So let's remember, it starts with a D minor triad, so D, F, A. That's D minor. And then for the 7, we're going to skip 2 and play the next note. So it's going to be D, F, A, C. And that's your D minor 7. And it's D, F, A, C. Okay, next we have G minor 7. So we're going to have G, B, D, and F, but we know B's are flat because we're in the key of F. But now we have to skip 2 keys and play F on the top here. So that's your G minor 7. Now, C7 is C, E, G, and B flat. Okay, so that was G minor 7 over there. Now we have C7, so we're going to go C, E, G, B flat. C7. Now F7. Okay, there's F major. F7 is F, A, C with a minor 3rd on the top, so E flat. Now, if these chords confuse you, it really can't hurt to go back and watch the lesson on 7 chords and major 7 chords. Next we have a G minor chord, which is just G, B flat, and D. And it makes sense that it's a B flat because we're in the key of F, which has a B flat. Next we have F major 7. So we have F7, now we have a different kind of F, which is F major 7. So what's the difference? Here's F7. F major 7 is no flat on the top. It's a natural E up there at the top. All right, then we have D minor 7. Oh, good, we've already played that one. G minor 7 again. C7 again, D minor 7 again, G minor 7 again, C7 again, basic F triad again. Then C7, which is here, F major 7, D minor 7, we're on this one, which is here, G minor 7, which is here, C7, which is here, F major 7, natural F7, then B flat major 7. Oh, that's a new one. We haven't got that yet. Let's write it. So B flat major 7. So B flat DF, and then a major 7. It's the A on the top there. So that's B flat major 7. Then we have another G minor, which we wrote over here. And then we have an F major 7. F major 7, there we go. D minor 7. G minor 7. C7. D minor 7. G minor 7 to C7. G minor 7 to C7. Back to F. And if we wanted to repeat it, we'll go to a C7. But we could just stop as well. Okay, now let's see what we can do here and play this together. First time through, I'm going to keep it simple. We're just going to play these chords in their root position in solid form. So let's see here. We're going to start with C on the right, F chord on the left. I'm going nice and low because otherwise I'm going to bang into my right hand. You can play these chords anywhere as long as you use the right notes. So I'm just playing. I should talk you through this. It's quite a lot to talk through. Keep it nice and slow. Talk you through it. Here we go. I'm going to keep it high. It didn't seem to get in the way too much. Low, high. Oh, let's go low. You can see it better. So here we go. F. Now D minor 7 is right here. D, F, A, C. Now G minor 7. G, B flat, D, F. Now C7. F7, I'm going to go up. Isn't that pretty? Now B flat 7, and then to G minor. Next line, F major 7, D minor 7, G minor 7, C7, D minor 7, G minor 7, a C7, and then F, root position. Okay, now C7, F major 7, D minor 7, G minor 7, C7, F major 7, F7, B flat major 7, F G minor, F major 7, D minor 7, G minor 7, go low, C7, D minor 7, G minor 7, C7, and then F. Okay, phew. So a couple of things about this. Most of these chords just use the B flat, the only white key, only black key in them. So from F to D minor, see here, there's only white keys. Now for this G minor 7, there's the B flat from my key signature. C7, same thing. F7, this one uses an E flat. This one uses a note that's not in the key signature. B flat major 7, still just using only the one black key, the B flat. G minor still uses just the one black key. You'll notice there's a slash and a B flat under here. Just ignore that for now. I'm going to talk about it in the next lesson. Now F major 7, well, F major 7, that one doesn't use any extra notes. D minor 7, just white keys. G minor 7, just B flat. C7, just B flat. D minor 7, no black keys. G minor 7, just B flat, C7, just B flat, F, C7, just B flat, F major 7. That's one of those ones that uses just white keys. F, A, C, E, D minor 7, G minor 7, C7, F major 7, F7. That one uses a note that's not in the regular key. It's got the extra E flat. B flat major 7, G minor. Next line, F major 7, D minor 7, G minor 7, C7. See, all of these have only used just a B flat. D minor 7, white keys, G minor 7 with B flat, C7 with B flat, and F. So the only two chords I played were these two places that I played the F7 chord, and that's the one where I have to watch out for this extra E flat that's not in our F scale. So I'm going to just go ahead and play it through again without talking, and I'm going to slow it down and I'm going to arpeggiate, like break up some of the chords and make them just whatever feels good to me at the time.